So this is the camera bag. It's not so big. Tripod. This is Sony digital camera ZV-1, especially for vlogging with the flexible with the LCD camera. Time now is Hello everyone, this is my YouTube channel. My name is KK. I live in Perth, Australia. I started this channel because I wanted to share my personal daily life and also about the story that I want to talk about, and then also what I share is what I'm really interested in, and also something and that I want to talk about, and also the reach out to the people as much as possible using a YouTube platform.